So basically what MUN is, like, can you tell me what are your views on how a MUN works, or what exactly you think a MUN is?
It's a platform for us to like in real UN in UN how the process everything goes on. That same thing is here, but we are all different and we keep up our youth skills and their knowledge about different councils, everything. They come up and they just make over like an UN session, and it is a model United Nations. That is how United Nations. It's like duplicate form.
Here, basically, what we do is we debate, we speak. It's for our knowledge, and it's also for increasing our speeches, our verbal skills, and it also targets how practical a person could think. What are you good at? It is basically a platform where you feel like it's taking out inner self of you. It's taking out the skills that you have inside of you. So MN is basically such platform which takes out your inner skills or talent that you have.
The topic is tackling the consequences of harmful practices on human rights. Harmful cultural practices on human rights.
Harmful cultural practices, right?
Yes.
So now it says about the culture. So now what you have to do is a very simple thing that you need to research. How your research is gonna work for GSL is that now you need to focus on harmful culture practices done in your particular country or the portfolio that you have. You have Republic of Philippines. So now you have to focus that what Republic of Philippines is doing with the cultural, like how are they tackling up the harmful cultural human rights. Okay, so now you need to pin that all down, and you need to also see that which other countries are opposing your human right. For example, if I take North Korea, okay, so if I say that there is a conflict between North Korea and South Korea, so South Korea would be targeted by the North Korea, right? So you need to research that which of your which of the country is actually gonna target you, because that is gonna help you in the whole committee. So I'll go with the format of draft resolution. How basically a draft resolution is done. So you start up with the heading of draft resolution, and then after that heading there is a subheading for your committee. For example, your committee is UNHRC. You have to write committee UNHRC, and then you write the particular topic that you have. You have a topic relating to the culture, some harmful culture, human rights. So you'll write your topic, and then you write signatories. Now, who are signatories? Signatories are all the countries that would like to see your resolution, that would like to see that they are basically the countries that would basically agree or disagree in your resolution, or they have some points to make in your resolution, so they can, make some proposals for their amendments. Okay, so now coming up to the next thing, how basically this was the format of writing draft resolution. What next thing is that there are some clauses. We have two types of clauses in this. That is, first clause is preambulatory phrases, and the next one is operative clauses.
A resolution paper basically means the solutions that you propose your country to follow, right?
Yes.
Okay. And all the countries will be preparing a resolution paper, or will it be some countries will be working together to prepare a resolution?
Yeah, that is what happens in signatory. I was explaining, if you feel like you have made a good alliance with some other country, for example, I'm USA and you're Philippines, and we have made a good alliance. What you can do is you can join up my draft resolution, or you can write your name in signatory. If you feel like this resolution, you can read particular resolutions. Being a first timer, I would not advise you to write a draft resolution, because you need experience to how the particular draft resolution has been made. And Also USA is bigger than Republic of Philippines, so I would advise you to be a signatariat rather than writing your own draft resolution, because if your draft resolution isn't passed now in the voting, you won't that would give you few points but not more points if you have like winning, if you're, because that resolution won't be counted now in the working paper. So what I feel is, if you have made some alliances with any country, or you feel like this draft resolution has my solution, you have given your points in that, and you feel like this is in favor of your country, be a signatariat in that, and that would surely give you marks.
Okay, thank you.